I love freedom of creativity. I love to see what we can turn a piece of bland old wood into. Into a piece of furniture, into a piece of artwork, into a memorial product, wherever we're going with it. It's just having that expressiveness is what I enjoy. One of the things that we take great pride in is our work here is very hands-on. We greatly enjoy when someone gives us the freedom to create a piece of furniture for them. My team are very passionate about what they do. I'm very passionate about what I do. I've been doing this for 40 years. There isn't a lot I can't turn my hand to in a wood shop. There's a personal touch to everything we do. We take great care of our customers. We like to go to their homes and see how their lifestyle is to create a piece of furniture that's going to blend in with their lifestyle. And so far we've hit the mark every time we've done that. We take great pride and great joy in what we do. We absolutely love it.